Let us find the solution for assignment 11. Sushma and her sister took a loan of rupees 46,000 to buy a longboat. They paid a total of rupees 49,440 in 1 year. How much money did they pay back? Every month, how much money did they pay back? So, if in 1 year, if they are paying back rupees 49,440, so for 1 month, how much did they pay back? That is what is asked. And we all know that 1 year is equal to how many months? 1 year is equal to 12 months. So in 12 months, if they are paying rupees 49,440 for 1 month, how much did they pay back? That is what is asked. For 12 months, if it is 49,420, for 1 month, how much did they pay back? What we need to do? We need to simply divide. Divide what by what? 49,440 should be divided by 12. Again, not again 46,000, because 46,000 is the amount they have taken and they have paid 49,440. So 49,440 should be divided by 12. 49,440 when divided by 12, we take 49. 12 4s are 48 and 48 is subtracted. We have 1 here and 4 comes down. 12 ones are 12. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Again 4 comes down and we know 24. 12 2s are 24. 24 is subtracted 0. One more 0 is there. I told you already. When one more 0 is there, 12 zeros are 0 also should be subtracted. Then it is rupees 4,120. So for 1 month they are paying rupees 4,120. That is the solution for this assignment. Hi children, in this video we are trying to understand about rounding off to the nearest 10. What is this rounding off and when do we do this rounding off? Let us suppose that you have gone to a bookstore to buy a book and that book costs 49 rupees. After 2 weeks or 3 weeks, some of your friends have asked you what is the cost of the book and you have not remembered the price exactly. So you have told approximately that it is 50 rupees. So what did you do now? You just told the approximate price of the book, not the exact price of the book. So when we don't know the values exactly, we tell the values approximately, means to the closest number, closest to 10 we tell the value. That is what is called as rounding off a number to its nearest 10. Let us suppose, what is if I want to round 47 to its nearest 10? 47 to its nearest 10 means if you take a number line like this is 40 and this is 50. In between 40 and 50 we have 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. So now 47 is here. Now this 47 is close to which 10? Is it close to 40 or 50? This 47 is close to 50. That's why when 47 is rounded off to its nearest 10, it is 50. When 47 is rounded off to its nearest 10, it is 50. In the same way, when 42 is rounded off, let us suppose. If you want to round off 42 to its nearest 10, now 42 is close to which 10? Is it close to 40 or is it close to 50? It is close to 40. So when 42 is rounded off to its nearest 10, we get a value called as 40. Now it is okay if it is 41, it is close to 40, 43 is close to 40, 44 is close to 40. But if it is 45, now to which 10 is it close? Now 45, you are having 4 numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also you are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 numbers. Means it is at equidistant from 40 to 50. Means from 40 to 45 or from 45 to 50. 45 is at equal distances in between 40 and 50. So then what to do? So we have framed the rule in order to know, because every time it is not easy for us to draw a number line. We have framed a rule. Whenever we want to write a nearest 10 of a number, what we need to do is we need to check which is there in the ones place, like 43. So now in the ones place, what is the digit that is there in the ones place? The digit that is there in the ones place is 3. If this number is less than 5, if this number is less than, what are the digits that are less than 5? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Means any of these digits are present in place, ones place. Then what to do? Whatever number is there, the same number will be written there. Of course here only 4 is there, and in ones place we need to place 0. That is how we need to round off to the nearest 10. Let us suppose if there is a number like 46. Now again, if you want to round 46 to its nearest 10, you need to see again the ones place. In ones place, if the digit is 5 or more than 5, this rule is for 5 or more than 5, because if it is 5 also, we are giving it to the next highest 10. So if it is 5 or more than 5, this number 5 or more than 5 means what are they? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If any of these digits are present in this place, then what we need to do? We need to add 1 to this. We need to add 1 to the number what is present to the left of it. If 4 is present, 4 plus 1 is 5, and in the ones place we need to place 0. So these are the rules in order to write the nearest 10 of a number when we round off. Now let us see a few more examples. Like here I am writing a few more examples. The first one is 743. Second one is 224. Third one is 365. And fourth one is 40. No, not 40. Let us make it 92. Now when we are seeing 743, when we want to round it off to the nearest 10, what we need to see? We need to see the digit which is there in ones place. In ones place it is 3. If it is 3, it is less than 5. When it is less than 5, what is the rule that is to be followed? Whatever number is there, the same number we write there, the same number we write there, and in the ones place we place 0. The ones place we place 0. So when 743 is rounded off to the nearest 10, we get 740. Now the second one, when 24 has to be rounded off to the nearest 10, here the digit which is in ones place is 4. The digit which is in ones place is 4. Is it less than 4, less than 5 or more than 5? It is less than 5. So if it is less than 5, again the same rule. What is the number? The same number will be there, and in ones place we need to place 0. Now coming to the next one. When we are coming to the next one, you can see what is the next one? It is 365. Again in ones place, what do we have? We have 5. The rule is for less than 5 and 5 and above. This is 5. So it is coming here. It is 5 or more than 5. What we need to do? We need to write the next number what is present here to the left of it. What is present to that next number we need to write. So what is next of 36? Next of 36 is 37, and we need to place 0. So, and the last one, if 2 is present in the ones place, again 2 is less than 5. When 2 is less than 5, what we need to do? Whatever number is there, the same number we will write, and then we will place 0 in ones place. So this is how we need to write the nearest 10 when we round off the numbers.